Yes, I think from now every match is one final for us and for all teams in the same situation. I think it's a very important match, but we need to go step by step. But I am sure every match is one final. I think the past is not affecting the future. I think every season, every match is different. Tomorrow is a very difficult match for us. Play against a very good team, and I think nothing in the past affect the future. I am thinking only about who is the best way to win the tomorrow. I don't think about it's possible. Some players with 3 yellow cards is good, 1 yellow card more because in the next match it's possible to rest and recover for another match. No, no. I think it's not the moment thinking about this because we need to win, and I am as a coach. I need to decide the best for the team, the best first 11, avoid these situations.
As I say to your mate, I don't like to generalize. Every game has been different, and it's useless to think in the past. No, now we have the fight for being the top of the league is very tight. So we have tomorrow a new challenge to win and forget the last result.
Also, we had yesterday a good session with the players regarding I don't focus on results, I focus on process. If the process is good, results will come. That means the more you focus on, oh, we have to reach the 4th spot or we have to win, mostly then it doesn't happen. So I stay positive. Of course, it becomes more difficult, that is logic, but as long as nothing is decided, we keep going. And even if it's decided, we keep going because I still believe you earn money and have to perform to your best possible way.